Mini electric screwdrivers simplify precision repairs, saving time and effort for electronics, gadgets, and small projects. Today's video is about top 5 best mini electric screwdriver that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Fanttik Mini Electric Screwdriver. The Fanttik E2 Ultra Mini Electric Screwdriver is an excellent tool for precision repair tasks and electronics maintenance. Its powerful neopulse motor delivers up to 0.6 Nm torque with 5 adjustable gears, allowing accurate control when working on delicate devices like phones, tablets, laptops, watches, and small appliances. The 800 mAh rechargeable battery provides extended usage, while the convenient Type-C charging port makes recharging simple and efficient. The innovative RevoStore magnetic storage case is a standout feature, keeping bits organized, clean, and easy to access with a stylish aluminum alloy design. With 50 high-strength S2 steel bits, including specialized options for various repairs, plus a pry bar and tweezers, this kit offers great versatility for detailed projects. The gradient indicator bar adds a smart touch by showing torque settings and screw status clearly. Compact, precise, and thoughtfully designed, this screwdriver set is a valuable companion for DIY enthusiasts, technicians, and anyone handling small electronic repairs. Now our second product is Fanttik Mini Electric Screwdriver. The Fanttik E1 Max Precision Electric Screwdriver is a stylish and reliable tool designed for detailed repair work. Powered by a 200 revolutions per minute neopulse motor, it offers precise torque control with high and low electric torque settings plus manual torque up to 3 Nm, making it ideal for repairing tablets, smartphones, watches, cameras, drones, and other small electronics. The included 50 S2 steel bits in 12 types provide excellent versatility for different projects while ensuring long-lasting durability. Its magnetic storage case is thoughtfully designed, keeping the screwdriver and bits organized and easy to access, with a satisfying pop-up mechanism. The rechargeable battery offers impressive endurance, handling hundreds of screws on a single charge, and the Type-C charging port adds convenience. With its premium aluminum alloy construction, award-winning design, and professional performance, this precision screwdriver is a great choice for DIY enthusiasts, technicians, and anyone who enjoys maintaining electronic devices. Our third product is Hoto Mini Electric Screwdriver. This electric screwdriver set is a versatile and convenient tool for DIY projects, repairs, and everyday tasks. It includes 12 durable S2 steel bits with up to 60 HRC hardness, providing excellent strength and long-lasting performance for different screw types. The built-in magnetic tip makes bit changes quick and effortless, while the shadow-free circular LED light helps you work clearly in dark areas. Its lightweight 0.55-pound design and comfortable double-layer soft grip make extended use easier and more enjoyable. With 3 torque settings, including up to 4 Nm electric torque and 8 Nm manual torque, it offers excellent control for various applications while the smart sensor helps prevent over-tightening and damage. The powerful 1500 mAh rechargeable battery provides long working time and convenient Type-C charging. Complete with an aluminum storage box, charging cable, and multiple bit options, this kit is a great choice for home improvement, electronics repair, and DIY enthusiasts seeking a portable and reliable screwdriver solution. Now number 4 is ZOE Mini Electric Screwdriver. This precision electric screwdriver kit is an excellent choice for electronics repair and detailed DIY projects. Its 180 revolutions per minute motor offers 3 adjustable torque levels, allowing accurate control for delicate devices like phones, laptops, game consoles, drones, and watches. The manual torque mode provides extra strength for loosening stubborn screws without damaging components. The pen-style aluminum body feels comfortable in hand and helps reduce fatigue during longer repair sessions. For built-in LED lights provide clear visibility in tight, dark spaces, while the indicator light keeps track of torque settings and battery status. The 500 mAh rechargeable battery delivers impressive runtime and quickly recharges through USB-C. With 34 S2 steel precision bits, 8 long bits, tweezers, and pry tools, this kit is well equipped for a variety of small repairs. The organized aluminum storage case with magnetic slots keeps everything secure and easy to access. Overall, it is a reliable, portable, and professional tool set for DIY enthusiasts and repair lovers. And our last choice is Stradbito Mini Electric Screwdriver. This Mini Electric Precision Screwdriver is a versatile tool designed for detailed repair work. With 5 adjustable torque settings from 0.15-0.5 N.m and a 7 N.m manual torque option, it provides excellent control for repairing electronics like laptops, phones, gaming consoles, drones, and more. The powerful 200 revolutions per minute motor and rechargeable 350 mAh battery deliver efficient performance, handling over 500 screws on a single charge. Its ergonomic pen-style design feels comfortable during extended use, while the built-in 4 LED lights help illuminate small, hard-to-see areas. The kit includes 64 precision S2 steel bits, long bits for deep screws, tweezers, a metal spudger, and a magnetic mat, making it suitable for various DIY projects. The compact magnetic storage case keeps everything organized and portable. With durable construction, convenient charging, and a lifetime warranty, this screwdriver kit is a great choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.